rules put in so that at least it gives you a chance to change for a puncher if you get stuck. So that's obviously what we've done there. He's well under the 5 minutes, so Ammo the start is just going to check he's okay, ready to go. We've got the thumbs up. We've got the thumbs up from the judges. Just make sure Curse is okay, give him the thumbs up. Okay, when you're ready, let them go. 1, 2. Well, a fantastic effort there, but they've decided that sadly there was a spin just before the end of the first run for Kirsty, so Mark Huxley goes through, but a round of applause and some appreciation for our only lady driver, Kirsty Witherington. Well done, Kirsty.